Did you know over 70% of suspension failures are caused by neglect and bad driving habits? That's right. Most people don't realize their daily routines are quietly destroying one of the most important systems in their car. And when the suspension fails, it doesn't just ruin your ride comfort. It hits you with a repair bill that can easily cross $2,000. But here is the good news. You can avoid all of that. I'm going to show you 6 powerful tips to make your suspension system last way longer and save you tons of money. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Drive smoothly and avoid rough roads whenever possible. Your suspension system takes a beating every time you drive over potholes, speed bumps, or rough terrain at high speed. These sudden jolts stress critical components like shocks, struts, control arms, and bushings. Whenever you can, choose smoother routes, even if they're slightly longer, because the reduced impact adds years to your suspension's life. If you must go through rough roads, slow down significantly to reduce the strain. Even smaller daily jolts accumulate over time, wearing your suspension prematurely. Tip number 2. Keep your tires properly inflated and aligned. Tires and suspension work as a team. When your tires are underinflated, overinflated, or misaligned, the stress gets transferred straight into your suspension. Think of it like this. An underinflated tire is like hitting a bump with no cushion. It forces your suspension to absorb more shock than necessary. Misalignment causes uneven tire wear and shifts the force of cornering and braking to the wrong parts of your suspension. You'll notice it in poor handling and a drifting steering wheel. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and get an alignment every 6 months or whenever you hit a hard curb. Tip number 3. Replace worn-out suspension parts. Promptly worn shocks or bushings may not seem urgent at first, but they start a chain reaction. Weak shocks make your car bounce more, stressing other components and increasing wear elsewhere. Ignoring one bad part can lead to multiple failures that are more expensive to fix. Inspect suspension components every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or as part of your oil change routine. If you hear clunks, squeaks, or notice reduced ride comfort, don't delay repairs. Replacing a worn bushing or shock early can save you from having to replace an entire control arm or axle later. The sooner you act, the cheaper and safer the fix. Tip number 4. Lubricate suspension joints and bushings regularly. Suspension components like ball joints, tie rods, and control arms benefit immensely from proper lubrication. Friction is a silent killer. If these joints dry out, they wear down faster and can even seize. Some modern vehicles come with sealed joints, but older or performance vehicles often have grease fittings. If your vehicle has them, make sure to re-grease during each oil change or at least twice a year. Lubrication not only extends the life of the components, but also prevents annoying squeaks and improves ride quality. Tip number 5. Don't overload your vehicle. Carrying more weight than your suspension is designed to handle puts immense stress on springs, shocks, and frame mounts. While your car might survive the occasional heavy load, repeated overloading leads to sagging springs and premature failure of struts and dampers. Check your owner's manual for the maximum payload and adhere to it. This is especially important for drivers who use their car for work, road trips, or hauling. If you frequently carry heavy loads, consider upgrading to heavy-duty suspension components designed for the job. Tip number 6. Wash the undercarriage. Salt is your suspension's worst enemy. In winter, salt and de-icing chemicals cling to the metal components of your suspension, including the springs, control arms, and shock mounts. Over time, that buildup turns into corrosion, which weakens the structural integrity of these parts. Rusted components can fail under load and cause dangerous driving conditions. Even if you live in a dry climate, mud, sand, and road grime can trap moisture and accelerate wear. That's why it's essential to spray the underside of your car regularly, especially after snowstorms or off-roading. A simple undercarriage rinse at the car wash can remove corrosive materials and protect your suspension from rusting from the inside out. That's all for this video. Your suspension system works hard every time you hit the road, and now you know how to help it last longer, ride smoother, and save you a small fortune in the process. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and keep those wheels rolling smooth.